Ever found yourself at a Fave merchant, ready to snag that sweet deal, only to realize your Favepay balance is tragically low? We've all been there. That mini heart attack as you fumble for an alternative payment method while the queue behind you grows. Not fun, right? Well, what if I told you there's a super quick and easy way to top up your Favepay, so you never miss out on those amazing deals again? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Favepay is a fantastic way to save money at restaurants, spas, and all sorts of local businesses. It's convenient, often comes with cashback rewards, and just makes the whole payment process smoother. But like any digital wallet, you need to keep it topped up to enjoy its benefits. Now, you might be thinking, topping up sounds complicated. Trust me, it's not. In fact, it's so simple, you'll wonder why you ever worried about it. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why this is so important. Imagine this, you're out with friends, enjoying a delicious meal at your favorite Fave partner restaurant. The bill comes, and you're ready to use your Favepay for that sweet discount. But, oh no! Your balance is insufficient. Awkward, right? By knowing how to quickly top up, you avoid these situations and enjoy a seamless experience every time. No more scrambling for cash or missing out on rewards. Okay, let's get down to business. Topping up your Favepay can be done in a few different ways, and I'm going to cover the most common and convenient method, using your linked bank card. First things first, make sure you've already linked your card to your Fave account. If you haven't, don't worry, it's a simple process. You'll find the option to add a card in your Fave profile settings. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Now, once your card is linked, open your Fave app and navigate to the Favepay section. You'll usually find a button or option that says Top Up or Add Funds. Tap on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to add to your Favepay balance. Be sure to enter a valid amount within the allowed limits. Once you've entered the amount, confirm the transaction. You might be asked to verify the transaction through your bank's security measures, like an OTP or biometric authentication. This is a crucial step to ensure the safety of your funds. After successful verification, your Favepay balance will be instantly updated with the topped-up amount. That's it. Seriously, it's that easy. You're now ready to use your Favepay for all your transactions and enjoy those sweet deals and cashback rewards. No more embarrassing moments at the checkout, no more missed opportunities. Now, some of you might be wondering about other top-up methods. While linking a card is the most common, Fave may offer other options like topping up via online banking or even using physical vouchers. These options might vary depending on your region, so it's always a good idea to check the Fave app or their website for the most up-to-date information. So, there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide on how to top up your Favepay. Remember, keeping your Favepay topped up is the key to maximizing its benefits and enjoying a hassle-free experience. No more fumbling, no more missed deals, just smooth and rewarding transactions. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.